it was unlocked a couple of days back, and I'm very happy for this. Thank you all. And today I'm also going to react on Pakistan versus Bangladesh World Cup match. It was very entertaining, especially for the Pakistanis. It's good to see our team making a good comeback after initial few hiccups. There were a few changes with the batting order, especially Fakhar Zaman is back, and it was, I think, a very good decision to leave him out for a couple of matches. He came back in a brilliant form after, I think, 10 to 12 innings. We have seen such a huge performance. uh, Sumair Ahmed says, love you bro. Okay bro. क्या हाल है तेरा भाई? ठीक ठाक है? अच्छा. And bowlers did a very good job initially, restricting Bangladesh to a low scoring total. And after that, batting was also very good, fielding was also very good, the intent was clear. Best thing about today's match is यार सबसे बेस्ट चीज़ ये थी कि रन रेट हमारा अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह काफ़ी बेहतर हो गया है, एंड ऑल ऑफ अ सडन वी आर ऑन द फिफ्थ स्पॉट. Obviously we have played a match less than some of the lower down some of the teams down the list, but once again अगेन पाकिस्तानियों को दोबारा से होप आ गई है एक थोड़ी सी. अल्लाह ताला आसानी करे, एंड होपिंग फॉर अ गुड rest of the World Cup for Team Pakistan. Okay, Allah Hafiz.